In this video, I will show you how to fix the HVCI-enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security, then click Windows Security. Next, select Device Security, then click Core Isolation Details. Locate the Memory Integrity option and make sure it is turned off. If it is enabled, disable it and restart your computer. After your computer restarts, launch Valorant and check if the error has been resolved. If the issue still persists, you'll need to enable virtualization in your computer's BIOS. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Look for an option called Virtualization Technology, or SVM mode, depending on your motherboard or system manufacturer. Enable the option, save the changes, and restart your computer. Once Windows loads again, launch Valorant and check if the HVCI-enabled error has been fixed. And that's how you can fix the HVCI-enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11.